So this is, what time is it?
10:30.
This is 10:30. And it's beautiful.
But you're right. I mean, she said she wanted, it's not like she couldn't have canceled. And that's, how did that conversation go?